Hello, I'm going to show you today how to do doors. Regular opening doors like your bedroom doors, bathroom doors, those types of things. I'm also going to show you a bifold door, which is those V-type doors that open and close like this. And then also I'm going to show you how to do sliding doors that just slide back and forth. Okay, first let me show you how to do a regular door. Now doors can be mainly, for the most part, three different sizes. They can be 2'8" is the smallest the door can be in terms of a bathroom. In terms of a bedroom, the minimum size of door should be is 2'10". And then there's a 3-foot door, which is your handicapped accessible doors. Your handicapped accessible doors are 3 foot. Your front doors are always that. Inside the house, depending on the community, it can be any of those sizes. I'm going to use 3 foot because that's a pretty easy number to work with. The first thing I need to do is I need to create this line right here and create my opening for my door. So I'm going to do a regular, just a closing open door like this, and I'm going to do it right here. So I'm going to offset this 2 inches. This line I'm going to offset 2 inches over, just 2 inches. Okay, and I have to have that because of the fact I need a little bit off the edge of a wall, or it won't. The door won't work real well. So now I'm going to extend EX, enter, enter. I'm going to extend this line down through the wall. Then I'm going to offset that line 3 feet. That's my door opening. Once I've created my door opening, I'm going to trim, TR, enter, enter, which is trim. I'm going to trim those 2 lines off, and I'm going to trim those 2 lines. Hit escape on the keyboard to end and finish the command. Okay. Next, I need to create my door. Do a line, and since my door is 3 feet long, I'm going to do a 45-degree angle like this. See how it's clicked in right there? If it's not, you might have to come down here to this area right here and open that up and turn that to 45 right there, but mine's already set that way, so I'm not going to have to do that. Go on a 45-degree angle and type in 3 apostrophe for 3 feet. Hit escape to finish the command. Next, I've got to do my swing, my arc swing. To do that, I'm going to come up here, arc, and I'm going to do center, start, end. Okay, center, start, end, which means I start with the center or the hinge point, then I go to the start point and the end point, and it creates my arc. Or I can do a quick keyboard, which is A, enter for arc, C, enter for center. Then I start in the center, which is my hinge point right there. And now I need to go counterclockwise. This is counterclockwise. So my start's going to be here, my end's going to be here. If I start there and end over here, it's going to draw that huge line. I'll show you that real quick here. Start there. Oh, look at that. I don't want that, right? I don't want that line like that. I don't want it looking like that. That's not right. So I'm going to do A, enter, C, enter for center, start, and arc. Start with my hinge point. Go to the first point, go counterclockwise to my second point, and there's my arc. Okay, now the next door I'm going to put in is a bifold door. Again, I'm going to create my opening, so offset 2 inches from there to there, and continue that and hit escape to finish the command. Extend EX, which is the extend command, enter, enter, to extend that to there. I don't want to do this side, so if I go on that half of the line, it extends it this way. This half of the line will extend it this way. Hit escape, TR, enter, enter. Trim that part off, trim that part, and trim that part. Next step is I'm going to be putting a bifold door, which is going to have 4 segments. 1 segment there, 1 segment there, then 1 segment here, 1 segment here. And they have to be the length of this when they're all straight, one straight line. It's got to completely fill this whole area because it's a bifold door. To figure out the distance I want each segment to be, I use the measure command. So I come up to the measure, make sure it's on distance here. I click on an endpoint here, and I click on an endpoint here. And then it will tell me it's 4'8". So to figure out how long each of my segments are going to be, 4'8". If I take my calculator out, I go 12 times 4 to get me my 4 feet plus 8 divided by 4, which gives me 14 inches. So each of my segments are going to be 14 inches. Click on line, click on this point, drag out on a 45-degree angle, 14, 45, 14. Then I could do the same thing over here, line 14, 14, or I can use another command called the mirror command. The mirror command allows me to copy both of these over to here if I use the mirror point correctly. So mirror, highlight both of those, hit enter on the keyboard. Now because I've got this stops there and this stops there, I know the midpoint is right wherever the midpoint is, and it's not showing up, so I'm holding the control key down. Click on midpoint. There we go. Now we'll find the midpoint there. Drag that out. Do you see how the mirror follows that around? So I want to go straight horizontal. Click. Hit escape on the key. Oops, I'm sorry. Hit enter on the keyboard. I hit the wrong one, so let me do it again. Mirror. Hit enter. My right mouse click. Hold the control key down. Midpoint. Come straight out. Oops. Look at that. I messed up. I'm going too fast. I need to slow down. There we go. Midpoint. Drag straight out. Make sure it's horizontal. Click and then hit enter. There, that door is done. My final one is going to be this one down here. It's going to be a sliding door. And so to do that, I'm going to offset 2 inches. Again, 2 inches, it doesn't have to be 2 inches. I'm just doing 2 inches. It could be 3, it could be 4, it could be 6, it could be 8. Extend, EX, enter, enter. And then I'm going to trim it, TR, enter, enter. Trim all this, get rid of that. If I drag with the green, blue is green, it drag to the left, it gets rid of both those, anything it's touching. There we go. Now my next step is I'm going to draw a line from both corners. So line from there to there, hit enter or hit escape on the keyboard. Now if I hit enter again on the keyboard, it restarts the last command. Click and click. Now this time I'm going to hit another line. I'm going to put the midpoint. So there's the midpoint right there from there to there. And this time I'm going to trim this section of this line and then this section, the opposite section on the other line to give me my sliding door. TR, enter, enter. Trim that and trim that. And then I'm going to hit escape, highlight that middle line and hit delete. And there you go. That's how you do those 3 different types of doors. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching.